Okay, so Big Game Leroy here to say that you need to subscribe to the YouTube channel Matt Palani Era. Subscribe right now. Great content, great person, great vibes always. Let's play.
What is up, guys? Matt Palani Era here, and happy Monday. That is right. And today we are going to be reviewing this WWE Legends Series 13, the Hurricane figure. That is right. So here we go. First off, we're going to start with the accessories he came with. He came with this nice, wonderful cloth entrance cape, which is black and has like neon green and the hurricane symbol logo right there. Pretty cool. And there's some designs too as well on the back of his cape. There's the hurricane symbol logo. It's black too right here, and black right here, and neon green right here. Pretty cool and awesome. Pretty cool with the Hurricane's cape. Now let's get to the review of the Hurricane, guys. First off, this is a really amazing face skin. I like it a lot. He has his black, long hair, like always. Pretty cool and amazing. He also has white, black, white, and green mask on. Pretty cool. He also has like a brown beard. Pretty cool. He also has his ring gear is absolutely amazing. He has light green right here and black and light green right here. Pretty cool. And there is the Hurricane symbol logo right there. Pretty cool. He also has black long sleeves too as well on both sides, on this side and that side. Pretty cool. His tights are also light green too as well. Pretty cool. And he also has black knee pads on both sides. Pretty cool. And he also has the hurricane symbol right there on the side of his tights. Pretty cool right here. And also right here too as well. Pretty cool. His boots are light green and silver and black. Pretty cool and amazing. On the back of his boots are also black too as well. Pretty cool. So this is a pretty cool WWE Elite Legends series of the Hurricane figure, guys. So guys, once again, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys. See you. Happy Monday. Enjoy Monday too, guys.